Hello, Gallies. Great to see you. My name is Cozy. All you need to make a clothes doll is these few materials, not a lot. The first thing we need is our patterns. So now, you can get the patterns from the link below in description box. Next, you want to cut your patterns like me. And we are gonna trace our patterns on the fabrics. At the skin color fabric, you just need to have 4 pieces of legs and hands. The next one that we are gonna need is 2 pieces of faces and necks. At the purple fabric, you want to trace 4 pieces of arms and 2 pieces of body. Next, we are gonna trace 4 pieces of shoes on the brown fabric. And we need some seam allowances when you cut them out. Now what you want to do is put each pieces of that we made right sides together. Now sew them except the openings. Did you finish sew them out? So now it's time to remake your feet. Match the seams. And we are gonna draw a round shaped line. And stitch. Our next step is trim the excess fabrics. And we're just gonna need to clip the seams because this is gonna make it easier when you turn them right sides out. Do not too close to your stitches. Maybe you don't want to cut through your stitches. The next one that I'm gonna show you is turn them right sides out. Now we are gonna start inserting our polyfill stuffing. Maybe you want to break it up into little pieces, not great big chunks, but you will use a lot of stuffing until they will be like a stone. Next, what you want to do is do running stitch. When you have the sewed all the way around, you want to pull it. Our next step is close the opening with leather stitch. After sew them out, you can attach the arms and the body with leather stitch. Next, we are gonna attach our legs and the body. So now stick some pins. Now we just need to leather stitch, you know. The next thing we're gonna do is take a fabric to make a skirt about 32 centimeters by 13 centimeters. Fold it 2 times at the edge and stick some pins all the way across. Now blind stitch. Next, what you want to do is fold the edge of the skirt 1 centimeter and put the skirt on the body, and then stick some pins while making pleats. And we're gonna do it about 2 centimeters apart. Stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Now close the opening of the skirt with leather stitch. Our next step is draw a doll's eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth. But I don't like them, so I decided to draw them again at the back. Finally, I can attach doll's face on the neck. Leather stitch. As you can see, I've already put on light makeup for my doll. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, you can use a ball of wool instead. Now take your needle and yellow threads and sew them to fix it. Next, you want to turn it back, and you can also fix it with your sewing. Hey guys, how about this project? I think this is hard if you're a beginner, but hang in there. Someday you will be able to make dolls that all over me. You'll see.